Welcome to the show where you'll learn how to invest in mortgage notes, the savvy real estate investor's secret weapon to create cash flow without tenants and property acquisitions for pennies on the dollar. My name is Robert Haitha, founder of Fixed Notes, and my mission is to make note investing ethical, profitable, and accessible for you. In every episode, we're democratizing the industry to put these powerful Wall Street assets into the hands of Main Street investors like you. So without further ado, let's get into this show where you're in good hands with my AI clone. Let's go. This program is for informational purposes only and should be independently verified before taking action. When you're getting started in note investing, one of the most important early lessons is learning how to vet the seller. It's not just about analyzing the asset. It starts with knowing who you're buying from. There are too many deals circulating through daisy chains, too many brokers who don't control the product, and too many investors wasting time on dead leads. The first step is always understanding who's on the other side of the table. You should immediately ask, are they direct to the asset? Can they speak clearly about the source of the loan? Did they purchase it? Or are they representing a fund? A real seller will tell you exactly where it came from, a bank, hedge fund, another investor. If they can't explain that or won't, that's a red flag. Transparency should be non-negotiable. Next, it's about communication and professionalism. Are they responsive? Do they answer your questions directly? Are the tapes clean and organized, or are you digging through junk data? How someone communicates is a strong indicator of how the rest of the transaction will go. A seller who sends you a messy spreadsheet, dodges your emails, or shows up late with docs is telling you everything you need to know. Rob's process includes looking the seller up. A quick online search can tell you a lot. Does their name come up on BiggerPockets, LinkedIn, or past deal forums? Do they have a website? Are they connected to other trusted investors? In a relationship-driven space like note investing, reputation carries real weight. Good sellers not only know the chain of title and collateral, but also understand borrower behavior, loan history, and servicing. If a seller doesn't know the last payment date or whether taxes are current, they're not doing the work. Rob trains investors to expect clean collateral, the note, the mortgage or deed of trust, assignments, the allonge, and clear answers. So that you're not just buying a loan, you're stepping into a legal position. That requires precision and professionalism on the seller's side. Another part of vetting is asking who else they've worked with. References matter. Rob encourages buyers to ask, can I speak with someone who's closed a deal with you? A good seller will be happy to provide that. If they get defensive or tell you it's private, that's your sign to move on. This business isn't big. People talk. And if a seller has been around, someone in the network will know them. Even with all that, you still need to trust your instincts. Rob has reviewed deals that looked great on paper, but something fell off with the seller. In those cases, it's better to pass. No deal is worth getting stuck with a problem you could have avoided by slowing down and asking better questions. Remember that vetting is not a one-time event. Just because someone sold you one good loan doesn't mean they get a pass forever. Stay sharp. Continue asking questions and confirming details every time. The best investors run repeatable processes, not one-off gut checks. Rob always says, don't get deal hungry. If you're new, you might feel pressure to close something quickly. But the right deal from the wrong seller can cause real problems. It's better to miss a deal than fund a bad one. Your job is to protect your capital and your business. That starts with who you choose to buy from. In the next episode, we will break down how to read tapes and bid templates. You'll learn what matters, what to ignore, and how to use your own template to quickly evaluate deals and make smart offers. That's where the process starts to scale. Thanks for sticking around to the end, and thank you to my trusty Rabba and the Fixed Notes team for putting together another episode. If you want to learn more and hang out with the real, not AI version of me, join our free school community at school.com/fixnotes. That's SKOOL.com/FIXNOTES. In the meantime, we'll see you in the next episode.